Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are about to take you along to ride the Haunted Mansion. And a little tip, if you see the wait time as 13, that means there's no wait. So keep checking those wait times. The Haunted Mansion is a family favorite. My boys ask to go on. Every time we get to go to Disney, Magic Kingdom, they enjoy it. It's really great, even though it usually is a long line. They immerse you in it right away. And at the end of the ride, they usually have a PhotoPass photographer there, and you do not have to ride the ride to do that. You can go through the exit and get your picture taken if there's a PhotoPass photographer, or you can wait to do it as you exit the ride and go outside. You will see them. And you'll get to see the different tombstones and the different writings. It really does just immerse you. It was extra crowded. They were letting too many people in too quick. It's usually not quite this crowded. They actually had to pause and stop the cast members outside from letting them in because there just wasn't enough room. But that is enough for me. I hope you enjoyed your ride along.
Wait, don't push me.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of the guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Your cadaverous flower betrays an aura of almost
The pictures are changing.
metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our adventure. And let's all stay together.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, the best was Gonzo said.
Remain safely seated with your hands, arms, legs,
They finally paused it.
Step all the way in, please.
flash pictures, please. Spirits are frightfully sensitive. Frightfully sensitive. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions. Only ghost first editions. And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 points. For 1,000, any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the night. Here in this house, every room has walls. Every room has had
regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
The happy haunts have received your side vibrations. Beginning to materialize. They're assembling. With their assembling point. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Another important note is they do take your picture on this ride. Years ago they did not, but for the past few years they have been doing that, and it can be easily missed, and they do it in the beginning. So make sure you are ready for the camera and you make sure you have that picture on your photo gallery on My Disney Experience. And if you don't see it, then you can easily contact them and they will find the picture for you. We are exiting the ride, and as you can see, if you were to turn right, that is where the PhotoPass photographer is, and you can get your picture taken there. And here on the left, you will see the pet cemetery of the Haunted Mansion. Make sure you save time before or after riding the Haunted Mansion and go to the gift shop. We always go in, we always look, we always need to check out what they have. And if you're a big Haunted Mansion fan, then you have to go and you have to see it. It's great. And of course, it's Disney, so they have everything for men, for women, for kids. And in this case that you'll see in just a second with these figurines, I wish I could get every single one of them, but I have no space for them, but I love them. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.